If you're trying to get photos from an Android phone to a Mac, the easiest way is to plug it in with a USB cable. You'll also need to download an app, and I'll show you how to do it. The app you'll need is called OpenMTP. It's free and it's available for both Apple Silicon Macs as well as older Macs with Intel processors. Download it, drag it to your applications folder, and you're ready to launch it. There's a couple of settings it'll ask about during the first launch, but you shouldn't need to change anything. Because we're connecting an Android phone to a Mac, things aren't as automatic as you'd hope. And because this is expected, the app gives you a list of tips on why your phone isn't connecting to your Mac. So if your phone doesn't automatically show up in the app, this is your checklist to go over. For me, the issue was the USB settings. My phone was using the wired connection only for charging, and I had to change the setting to allow data transfer. I kept trying to tap this little notification, but turns out it doesn't do anything. What did work was swiping down from the top left corner of my screen to open the notifications. And from there I saw a notification for other USB options. Tapping that took me to this menu here where I can tell my phone to use USB for transferring files. And after authenticating to approve the change, OpenMTP was instantly able to connect to my phone. Another way to access this is to go to your settings and simply searching for USB settings. Once the connection is successful, another confusing thing you might run into is this. You look in the Pictures folder and it's completely empty, even though you know there's photos on your phone. This is because on Android, your photos can live in several places depending on your camera app and system settings. A common place is this DCIM folder, and you might have to click into a separate subfolder to access your photos. My phone is new and it doesn't have a ton of photos, and unfortunately there's no previews, but the file name contains the date, which is helpful when choosing your photos. The left side here shows the folders on my computer, so I can create a new folder for my Android photos and open up that folder. Then select your photos and either drag and drop or copy-paste them into our folder. The user interface of this app is a little clunky, but it works, so can't complain. I'll copy and I'll paste, and then I get this progress bar showing the transfer of my files and a donation link for the developer. And here's all my photos copied on my Mac. It's pretty straightforward, but does require you to have the right settings enabled on your phone. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy guides like this.